Good day, everyone, especially our viewers. Thank you for taking your time to watch that uh, short trick. The name of the trick is called Edge of Cliff. So I'll be glad to take you through the process of how I got it done. So, my name is Femi Anyodikwe. I'm the team lead of Empower to Acquire Training Academy. I would just encourage you and beg you at the same time to please subscribe to our channels so that when next we post another video like this, either long or short, as very short as this, you'll be notified as quick as possible and you benefit from it at the same time. So kindly help us to subscribe to our channels and put on notification bell so that when we post video you quickly see it. Also, as I explain the process of getting it done, peradventure you have any questions you want to ask, please feel free to comment. Ask your question in the comment section, and I promise that your question will be attended to, definitely. Thank you. God bless you. So stay tuned. Let's go. So, just like I said, let's go through it and see. So let's go and see how the trick was achieved. There are two major apps that I used in the process of creating that trick. The first one is CapCut and the second one is Adobe Express. So, but before I show you how I did it, let me just take you through and see the original video first. Let's go and see the video. Okay, the original video. This is the original video. Alright, so that's the original video. So let's now go and let's see how we fix it. So you first go to CapCut. This is CapCut. So the video, the project has been done already. Just to equally save time, I will just explain one or two things I did. I will show you without hiding anything. But I may not. Okay, this is just click on new project. So when you click on new project, whichever video you want to showcase, just click on the video, which is the one that have 18. So when you open the video, first thing first, which you need to do here is screenshot the video. Screenshot the video. Come in. You screenshot the video from the beginning. What's happening? Okay, done. So I've screenshotted the video. So if possible, immediately edit the image that you screenshotted so that the black frame, remove the black frame so that it won't affect your editing. Okay, all right, then you save it. After that, we go to Adobe Express. This is our Adobe Express. So when you get here, so what I forgot to tell us is, for as many of us who don't have CapCut on our device or devices, if you are using Android, just go to Play Store, download CapCut, If you are using iPhone, go to App Store, download CapCut. The same way you download CapCut, you can equally download Adobe Express to either of the phone, whichever one you are using. And lest I forget, Adobe Express is a paid app, but they allow you to use free trials for the first 14 days. Immediately you download it. So after sign up, feel free to make use of the free trials for 14 days even before you make any payment. So when you come here, this is where it takes you to directly. So just come to import object, click on import object, and look for the image that you just screenshotted, which is this. All right. This is this. So immediately it opens. Let's wait for it to open. All right, so it's coming on. So it will ask you what effect. Let's wait for it. So describe your edit here, depending on what you want to achieve. But because you want to do edge of cliff, just write edge of cliff. That's all. Then you click next. So it will give you a brush to paint the area you want to change. So just you can reduce it a little bit. Then use your hand. Use your hand to paint the side you want to cover with another thing entirely. Okay, so after that, click insert. Click insert. Insert. All right, it's coming on. So to give you varieties, to give you different ones. If you don't like it, click more. So there's another one. Let's see this. Okay, this one come with step. Let's see another one. Okay, I want more. I want more. So you can keep checking until you see the one you really prefer. Okay. Okay. I think I have so many of this particular pattern that I've picked. Let me see this. No way. So I'll just save time. I'll pick one of them. Immediately I open the next one. If I did not see the one that I really like, I'll pick any of the one that we have seen. Let's see. Okay. Let's see this. Okay, this is fair. It's not too bad. So anyone, if I'm picking this for example, I'll just keep. This is what. Let me see this. This one comes with water. I'll pick this and I'll click keep. So immediately you click keep, it picks it and you download. just click on this arrow at the top for download. Then download. So download complete. Alright, so then from there we go back to our CapCut. So this is the CapCut. This is the video that we wanted to import. Just click on add. Let the video go. Click on add. Alright, so take this arrow to where the video ends. This is where it ends. So immediately after that, you add the image that we got from Adobe. Which one of them? I think okay, this is another one. Yes, this is another one. So you click on add. Okay, it's added already. Click on the image again and look for overlay. You look for overlay. Click on overlay to bring it down. Click on overlay to bring it down, and you move it inside. Okay, after moving it inside, reduce the image a little bit. Then clicking on the image again, look for mask. This is mask. Okay, after clicking on the mask, then you use horizontal. Okay, just use your hand to turn it like this. Turn it like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and now bring it down to where yes, cool, this is perfect. Right, then you move it back. You make sure that where the person in the video jumped down, as at the time the person jumps down, that is where you stop this. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. No, it's too fast. Let's go a little more. Yes, this is cool. So that's all you need to do. Let's check it again. Let's check it. Yes, then export it. Export it. %, completed. Yes, your video is already saved to device. Done. So peradventure you want to share to any of your social media page, you can do that from here. done. So let's go and check our video from the device. So I'll check. Where is it? Okay. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, that's it. Wow. I want to believe that you got all the tricks, all the steps I took in achieving it. So remember to subscribe to our channel and put on notification bell so that when we post any video again, you can easily see it. And if you have any questions, try as much as possible to drop it in the comment section. It will definitely be attended to. See you in the next video where we are bringing another trick or another thing that is helpful to you. God bless you.